So sometimes I dress like a cat.
Thank you very much.
I'm actually not in any of that footage. That was from the Southern California Cats fan meetup. I was there, I just wasn't in costume because the two Cats costumes I own and have made are very old and not really, they're not worthy. We just had our second Southern California Cats fan meetup. It was a little bit smaller than the first one, but it was just as fun, and I compiled some of the footage.
We're riding in the car. Have sword. We are here at the second SoCal Cats fan meetup. Today I am Bomb Ballerina, the sexy cat. And now we're going to turn the camera around. You're going to meet someone else, if she's ready or not.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Katie Cat.
But who are you today?
I'm pounceable. I'm full of energy.
Okay, girly pounceable.
I am. There's no way I can be boy pound, so I'm girl pound.
Adorable.
Why? Good plan.
No, not the camera.